It's the Adopt Me Thanksgiving Cyber Sale.
Oh my gosh.
The legendary Robo-Dog has landed into the Adopt Me pet shop and is waiting for you to show them around Adoption Island. We're also celebrating Thanksgiving with a mega side sale. You can find up to 75% off throughout the store. Discounted items include pets, bucks, and vehicle game passes. The cyber sale starts Tuesday, the 24th of November at 5 p.m. GMT. And will end Tuesday, 1st of December at 10 p.m. GMT.
Oh my god.
Robo-Dog is going to be in the store permanently, but you can get it for 50% off during the cyber sale. You have 1 week to make the most of our discounts. We're so thankful for our amazing community. We also want to give you a 2 times Bucks weekend. This will start on Friday the 27th of November at 7 a.m. GMT and will end on Monday the 30th of November at 7 a.m. GMT. Happy Thanksgiving from the Adopt Me team. Stay safe, have fun, and let us know what you're thankful for in the comments. As always, keep up to date with everything on our social media channels at Adopt Me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok.